What's up, What's T? Welcome to ryansobangee. If you are new to my channel, I ask that you subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified when your BANGEE boy posts another VEO. And if you've been here before, girl, what's up? It's Vlogtober day 13. We're making it happen out here. We're doing our thing. So y'all, I am on my way to find me something to eat. All week I've been screaming taco this, taco that, Taco Bell, Taco Hell. You know, I just been wanting me some motherfucking taco. One of my besties hit me up on Instagram and told me that if I'm looking for some great tacos, that I should go to Moe'S. Girl, I think it's called Moe'S Mexican Cafe. Girl, I've never been to Moe'S. Somebody told me I should go to Chipotle. I've been to Chipotle one time and hated it. Yep, that's right. Who won't smoke? I hated it. But we're gonna get into some things. I'm so hungry, you guys. I haven't eaten anything today, so I have an appetite for something good. And Moe'S is what I'm gonna get for the hoes. You guys, I'm super excited for this because anytime I'm craving tacos, I'm craving homemade or Taco Bell. We don't have many delicious Mexican restaurants in Jacksonville, so Moe'S is where we're gonna go.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the mud.
You guys, I'm finally here and I actually got lost. I can't believe I got lost. I don't know what to order. I think I need to go on Instagram and see exactly what one of my besties had told me I should get, so let's see.
Like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving. I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it with me. I be too turned up to ever give a I ain't come to argue, let a they been talking pennies, I need bigger bucks. About to catch a flight, I need to switch it up. Got that black boy joy, might do my.
All right, you guys, so I am back in the car. I have the goods from Moe'S. I actually had to look on Instagram to see what my bestie said I should get. I have this huge steak burrito. I will share what's in the inside in just a bit. And I have a taco, a hard shell taco. And I have a bag loaded with chips. And I have some queso right there. Yeah, I've been craving tacos for the longest. And I finally got my behind up to get some. Of course, we're gonna get into that. And I grabbed 3 of their hot sauces. So, yeah. I'm gonna dive into the taco first. So I'm gonna go ahead and say grace. With the taco, ooh, everything is like fully loaded. All right, with the taco, I just have beef at the bottom, cheese, lettuce, a little pinko, and cheese. Y'all get the first bite. Now, getting to how the beef look, right? It look all saucy and seasoned, don't it? You need a little salt. Okay. Y'all, it's me. Every time I crave a taco, I want Taco Bell or homemade. At this moment, this is a tease. Because it's me wanting Taco Bell seasoning on this taco. I might as well take this to the head. Cheers. Okay. The taco was cute. That was my little appetizer. Let's get into this queso because everybody keeps saying that. Now, I've seen a lot of reviews. People saying they got the best queso out now. It's very watery though. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Now, the consistency on it is very watery. But that's some damn good queso. That's some good queso. I'm trying not to let it spill on me. Now that queso, I'm with everybody else with that one. That's a 10 for me. All right, y'all, let's get into this burrito. This is a fat burrito. I should have asked them to cut it in half. I don't remember what I have in it. But I'm gonna bite into it. So I have a steak burrito with very light seasoned rice, very light black beans, panko, lettuce, extra black olives, hot sauce, and extra sour cream. Let's hit it with the queso. Woo! Look at that. Ooh, ooh. Oh no. It look like I done had a good time. Yo. That queso is fire. I know I'm definitely not going to be able to finish this whole thing in one setting. But it's good. Cheers to the last bite. Overall, y'all, I give Moe'S a 9. I rated a 9. Yeah, taco kind of threw me off a little bit. She ain't hitting on Taco Bell. Now, it was real beef, but them seasonings, excuse me, them seasonings went down. But this steak burrito, yes. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna clean myself up because I done made a bit of a mess. But the food was delicious. I still have plenty more to eat. I'm gonna go ahead and snack on these chips and queso. I'm gonna call it a day. Y'all, thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when BANGEE posts another video. I love y'all. I'm out, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
Until the world ends, come and see how much I spend. I know you like it, the body, yeah, baby, what, you say man, I love it, it's funny, I love it, Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep.